Hi friend, today we are going to learn how to swap the number without using third variable. I have created one program which will be showing the numbers without using third variable. In downside you can see the output how it will work. We are setting the value of a with equal to 5 and b equal to 10, and after the number swapping we are getting the value of 10 and 5. So I will showcase through an program. So we are declaring the variable a with value 5, second variable with value 10. Now we are writing the a value current value with b value current value. Now we are adding two variables a and b in the a, that is 5 plus 10 is 15. Now we are adding subtracting the value from a minus b, that is 15 minus 10 is 5 in the b variable we will be assigning, and after that we are doing the a equal to a minus b, that is the current value of a is 15, so we are subtracting 5 with 10, 5, so we are getting 10 value like that. And now we are writing the output in the end how the current value flow. So I will debug the code and I will showcase that how it will be work, right? So you can understand one by one, right? Yeah, here we can see that we are assigning 5 value. You can see in local variable and watch variable how value will be changing, as well as in the variable over the variable we can getting setting value, right? We are setting 5 and 10, 5 for a and 10 for b. Now we are see a variable 5 value in the local as well as in watch variable. Now we are writing that variable in the console, 5a and 5. Okay, you can see that, you see in the console that is current value for that is 5 and 10, right? Now we are going down, a equal to a plus b, that is 5 plus 10 equal to 15. We are getting 15 in downside. You can check in local, a value is 15 and b value is 10, right? Here watch also we can get, so value will be 15. In downside we can check that output how it will work, right? So you can get that program very easily, understand how we'll be processing. We are in now the b equal to a minus b, that is 15 minus 10. We are here subtracting the 15 minus 10, that is a minus b, that is we are getting 5 assigned in the b. After that we are writing that we a equal to a minus b means 15 minus 5, that is assigning in the a, that is 10. Now we are check that now is a new value, we are assigning both variable a equal to 10 and 5. The current means previous value, that is 5, and for a and b equal to 10, but new value we can check that it's 10 and 5. So that is how we can swap the variable. So if you are like the video, like, subscribe and share with team. I will share the code in the right description, you can take that code so you can refer that. Thank you for watching the video.